Hi there again, my ad riding friends and others. We will do a small and quick review of a KTM Powerpart small dry bag. Looks like this. It's made for the tail to sit on your rear fender or rear seat, or even at your front fender. You could strap this on. And that is due to small straps that follow this bag. On this Motornaut soft rack, this metal ring, I always carry these small quick attachments that came with the bike. The rear one I loop through these rear rings. Let's put it on and have a look at it. Very quick fit, and it fits snug on these mounts. It's a rolled opening. That you can adjust the length depending on what you store into the bag. Usually I store some tools, my raincoat, or yeah, why not coffee if you don't keep it in the handlebar bag, or and some air pump for the tires and so on. So small equipments in this bag. Rolls up and packs easy. And that's a KTM Powerpart, and as I told you, it fits on the rear fender normally or on the front fender, but it also fits if you have good attaching points of the bike at the seat as well. Yeah, so these two small bags together makes a great packing options for the day adventures. You can have some small stuff and keep your backpack at home if you don't have it as a with the only water bladder or something. Okay, that was all about this nice little packing option. See you on the next one.